eyes as well. But I think that probably be expensive. I'm going to look on YouTube and time I come back on live, I'm going to come back with picture of them and I'm going to show. And that's something where me encourage every adult. And if you live in our foreign country, I have two little niece and nephew, we send them too. Just buy them, put them in our envelope and send them down. You know? Make you start populate that. I'm not create the place with that because trust me, trust and believe me, if somebody stop one little pitney and then pull off that, me I tell you that a person did not touch them, the amount of nice that I go make. So that's
but
something
here again, you know. But here again, you know, Tiger a good idea about here what remember say still, you know. And mostly family I don't tell me something to them I pitney and them I go hide it. So when family I go hide it. As most family I do it to the pitney, them at their grandmother do that to the little girl, she go hide it. So you now go pop off it.
But it's still gonna work cause it's
you mean like you're being out in the public, right? And somebody else different, right? It would make sense, But
yes.
And when you look at it, you know, Tiger, on a serious note, still, you know, cause that's why I know say you don't really love love because you got to tell the truth. Most of these things are happening from family members, close family members. Right?
Is that the children and don't have a chance? They don't stand a chance in heaven.
Right? Close family member. That's why you see when something happen, you're so hard to find the root of it. Right? Because when the family member, one member of the family starts this, right? You find the whole of them, the 30 yard, 40 yard, and that one family there. I thought the same story. Right? You understand me? So you make it still look like a somebody outside, but it's still happening inside of the family. You understand? Right? As I them plot up and do it, you know, make it look like a somebody outside. So like how you make it look like Mr. Jackatan over there, so.
You know,
like little girl gone down the Sudan Joan. And little girl gone down the Sudan Joan.
You know what, Birmingham lava, and I tell you, I hate it with a passion. I don't like it. You know when a adult, right, jump up in the box and one defend the old guanales at them, like that I think that's the thing what annoy me the most. You don't come up in the box, and even if you have your dirty, nasty opinion, you keep it to yourself. Like for example, the day when the little pitney where she get the umbrella fear father come in the box. So they come in the box and say, John, no, the little youth, you know. He just come up in the box and start defend them one time. Like
because he man do the same thing. He man say them do the same thing. You see some of them people are coming at the box. God, they better pray say a TikTok, you know. Because when they come up all in the box and they beside me, I say, turn me hand, they share the powers. See first ears as me get them every teeth fly out of their head, man. One hot ears as because they come up and defend all these wicked people. If it's stoppy, if you can't come up and that's why you see, you know, Tiger, one guy over the live, me can't call his name. For the little girl from Portland, the name Madikai, right? And here's the lady, little girl grandmother, right? Is his aunt, right? I see first time he come out, he come out strong, right? And me tell him, me talk to him, I say, sit down and listen. Just listen to what the people have to say, right? You see where Madikai is right now? Madikai is that you cannot trust people. Anybody could do anything at any time. That's where he is. And the little girl grandmother is his aunt. You understand me? You can't come up being defending these people because they don't know what people will do. You yourself, not even me, Tiger, I don't know what me will do. So, you know how much time I thief for myself, Tiger? I save and some money for do this and go back with thief here near me. Yeah, me could my thief and all day yourself. So some of the time you can't trust with not even yourself. You can't take up with not with yourself, swear not with yourself. You understand me? Oh, me I swear for myself, so I not do it at the same time I do it. So not even yourself you can't swear for at times. Much as people. You know in a people mind. Right? You come up and you have to attack the people and you have to defend. The people that might try to help you, you have to attack them. And the people that who are wrong, they might defend them. Me hear one come up and say, my grandmother, the little girl at Portland, she's so much of a Christian. She's a Christian. She would not do that. Me say, shut your mouth. Every Christian nowadays are the easiest way for them to start work obia and the wickedness because they use God put in front, make you look on them like godly, then them are the wickedest part land. After that, it never take no long time. See people them start at time. So the woman are the biggest Obeah walker over there in a pool.
Come back. Science again.
Me I say, people no make up on the mic and just say the lady a Christian, how she love God. No, she got down in her mother wash pan. No, in there down in her mother bad pan. Come on, make up on the mic. Right?
Come on.
And it's so amazing when these people come out and can paint give some point of view on them people here. Right? You sit down and we sit down and put everything together. And you see when we off and everything what they say about the grandmother, and if I know you do it personal with your two hands, you know about it. And if I know for your two hand grab the little girl, there's something that you know, grandma. Because I write down so the scale can come. If the arrow on the scale a pen by your grandmother, so you're in a hit.
Well, as I say, me yes, she sit down on the baby, you know. So she right now she have to prove in my eyes she have to prove so she not do it right now. Cause that's what my thing stop.
But you know why my spirit can't go with her neither, Tiger? Look for the little girl over Trelawney. Alright. People go at her, you know, the grandmother, you know. Because they must say she shouldn't have did it. Yeah, she's careless. She's a careless grandmother. Right? But at the end of the day, when you look funny, she had the confidence that boy would not trouble the little girl. Right? She tell herself, come like, she believe, right? She know say, no matter what, that boy not go harm that little girl there. So me can say that.
Hear this too. I want, because as I said to you, right, and me can call the family member name that told me, right? So the grandmother know that the guy was going to drop her to the shop.
Yes.
And expect her to come back with the guy. So if that is the case, the grandmother can't be worthless.
No. The grandmother to owe me here. The grandmother, listen, you know, little girl gonna shopping and left out for go shopping, you know. But because the vehicle have to pass, like little girl have to pass where the vehicle whether they went to go on the road. Right? So put it say, me there my yard, but me for walk past your yard now. For go. When me I come out now that me can go at the shop, whether me take the truck yes or no. So that person that whether they right in at the big lesson. So when the little girl walk out, the person asked her where she going. So he gave her the drive. You understand? That's why the grandmother never come out and talk about no vehicle. Right?
Yeah.
Because the grandmother never put her in a no vehicle. You see, the grandmother they put her in a vehicle, she have say, imagine, look how me beg your Tom carry go a shop and carry back and look how he left the picnic and make what happen to her. She did not put her into no vehicle. Look like the vehicle just see her and give her the drive. You understand me? So the time now where the grandmother would take, listen now when the grandmother talk, she say, half an hour come and she not come back. Right? So on a normal routine, when she send the little boy and the little girl to shop, half hour they would have mash up, go a shop and mash up the road and reach back already. You understand what I say? So she know the timing. Suppose she say, alright, 20 minutes can carry them, go and carry them back then. Right? So when she say half hour come, that was too much for the little girl.
That
right?
is
She would have to be somewhere.
And that's how some people that tell me say take 1 hour to go to the shop. If it take 1 hour to go to the shop, or the grandmother want her back,
come back in a half hour.
That makes sense to me. Some of them people that chat too much and then too lie.
I lie, man. So what me say now, Tiger? Yes, people go at the grandmother. Me too. Come say you're careless, you're worthless. Or you never go up by yourself, but the boy take with you. Because you don't live your life already. But what happens, Tiger, she do comes out. She come out and she talky the way how it go. Cause listen to me. The uncle lie, me see she tell you know, the grandmother you know, and when she say a JJ. Because that's what they might tell her say a JJ. That's why she will lick pan it too, because a JJ she go feed to say do it now for you. Right? So that's the uncle part me look pan. But in a Jayden case, big nose and come out and lean neck, Shani like she gets stroke. I come out and tell pale lie to the people them. if she come out like oh this a granny come out, it would look better and sounds better.
Say that
right? You see this a grandma yeah? We add this like